Design thinking is an approach or a mindset to solving problems, and it keeps the user, your subject, your customers, your guests at the center of your design work.
We do design thinking in our practice. It's part of what we do, so I wanted to come here and see how Rogers handled that. The collaborative essence of the whole workshop was really fun.
Yeah, so when I think about sort of, future cities and smart cities and everything that 5G is going to enable, for us to really, as humanity, make good decisions for where we want to invest and how we want to evolve, it's all about where are we struggling, where are we thriving, what do we value, and kind of developing from there. That is the essence of what design thinking is, and I think there's sort of no other way to go about it.